drill chinning gun. So let's get into it. First things first is the box itself. It's really bare bones, nothing fancy. They kept it basic, just enough to keep everything in there safe, and so that it gets to you. And opening it, okay. So this is what we have. We have the Bosch GSB570. Comes with a manual. Fun things. This is what you stick inside the drill for space adjustments, in terms of, or like a depth stop if you want to make sure that you don't drill, thinking about food, but you don't drill past a certain point. So this helps with that. This is the grip that you apply on it. Ooh, it's nice. If you're not going to use this, it's also doubles as a toy. Sort of like a fidget spinner. Remember those fidget spinners? And the drill itself, like I said, in the boxes there's not really much except what you need. No fancy packaging, no people happy smiling faces. This is what it gets to, and this is what you're buying, this is what you get. It has, so motor, let's see here, it's got a 570 watt motor, maximum 13mm size drill bit, so not the giant size. It's not an SDS by any means. Yeah, Robert Bosch Power Tools GmbH. Bosch is his surname, by the way, and that's all there is. So you have the normal drill and the hammer drill switching over there. This is the chuck. There's something missing. Oh, here we go. This here is your drill for the chuck, or the chuck for the key. I don't know which is which. I think this is the chuck or clutch, depending on where you come from. And so I think this is the clutch, this is the key for that, and this is essentially to lock in your drill bits in the drill over there. And it's as simple as that. You can go forwards or backwards, depending on your application. And one other thing is this button here. It's actually a continuous drilling lock. So what you do is that once you've engaged it, you engage the drill, you press that to make sure, just to avoid fatigue, you press that, and essentially you can drill for continuously, particularly if you're using heavy. But as soon as you press the trigger, it will release, and like that. Yeah, I think so. The first things to do when you get it is to take out your toy, position it either for, is to take your toy, position it for either left or right hand. So if you're right-handed, you put it on the, if you're left-handed or right-handed, you put it on the side that is most comfortable to you. I prefer to hold it with my left hand. So how you put it in is just pull that in there, put that back, and then you can't spin the whole drill now. You can technically, but wow, okay, rather not. Get that like that. As soon as it's in position, yeah, it will lock into a certain place and gives you good mechanical grip when using the thing. It's like I said, the next thing to lock or put in place is if you just lightly unscrew that, and you take your depth measurement or depth sensor, whatever it is that it's called. I really, yeah. So this is that. Tighten that back up once you've sort of figured out your thingy, and that's essentially what your drill is. I'll do a test run of all these up. Once you plug it in, yeah, so reverse. So I find that depending on my function, depending on how hard I squeeze the trigger, the speed varies. So I'm not sure whether or not it's officially designated as a variable speed drill, but essentially, yeah, do that. Hammer function, do that. Like I said, drill, drum, chinning gun.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Chinning gun. Chinning gun. And that's it for the Bosch GSB570 Impact Drill.